Hi everyone! I hope that you're having a wonderful time in your homes with your families. I'm here at home too, and one of the things that I love to do when I'm stuck at home is to read. I love to read great books every day. This morning I was reading this wonderful story from Eric Carle, an author that most of you know from your time in the classrooms. And this book is called Pancakes, Pancakes. And it taught me what you need to make pancakes and how you make them. And this book made me so hungry. I started to think, is there a way that I can make my own pancakes today? I really would love that. And there is. I found a recipe, which is a plan for all the things I need to know in order to make my own pancakes. Would you like to cook with me today? Awesome. When I was a little girl and I was growing up, my mom loved to cook and she loved to bake. She would make delicious things. And my sisters and I always loved to see what she was making. We could smell the next delicious treat coming out of the oven and we couldn't wait to try it. So now that my sisters and I have our own kitchens, we like to make things too, just like she did. And one of our favorite things to make still is pancakes. So I have a special guest here to show you my cooking buddy. This is my sister, Miss Mehlberg, so she's here, and we're really excited to cook together today. It's good to have a cooking buddy because they can make sure that you're following the recipe the right way so that your pancakes will turn out, and they can help to keep you safe. So it's really important that you always have a buddy, especially if you're a kid. When you're a kid, you cannot cook alone. You need to be cooking with an adult, like your mom or your dad or someone older than you. All right? Are you ready to cook with me? Yay!
Yes.
She's ready. I can't wait to. All right, well, before we start, there's something very important we need to do. Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I just used soap and water.
Oh, good. That's really important. I did the same thing. Did you wash your hands? All right. It sounds like you're ready to go too. Remember that when we're cooking, you can always pause the video to stop it so that you can get the things ready that you need and you can take a little bit more time. All right, let's review our recipe first. Remember, this is our plan for making our pancakes. We have different ingredients. That means everything that we need to put into our bowls to make pancakes. I'm going to read the recipe and you can help to follow along. First, it says pancake party because that's what we're doing. Pancake party. The first thing that we need is 1 cup of flour. We have that ready. Next, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, 2 teaspoons baking powder. Oh, she has it ready. The next thing we need is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Perfect. Then we need a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, and finally 1 egg. We are ready. We have everything. All right. Make sure you pause the video if you need some time to get all of your things ready. All right. We're going to start by mixing together our dry ingredients. So we're going to put the first 4 things that you see on the recipe in my first yellow bowl. We need flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. I'm going to start by putting 1 cup of flour into the bowl. All right. Got it ready. And my sister's going to help me with 2 tablespoons of sugar.
All right, here's 1 tablespoon.
Great.
We need 1 more to get to 2. 2 of us.
She's got it. All right. The next thing we need is 2 teaspoons baking powder. There's 1. 1 more. You can help me to count along. 2. All right. The last dry ingredient we need is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. She's getting that ready. And she's gonna put it into the bowl.
All right, there it is. Now that we have all of our dry ingredients added into the bowl, I'm going to mix these together.
And I am going to use a new bowl to add all of the wet ingredients. So that means 3 more things that we need to put into this bowl. We need a cup of milk, we need 2 tablespoons of oil, and we need 1 egg. I have everything ready here. I have my milk, oil, and egg. So here we go. First, the milk. All right. Oil is next. 2 tablespoons of oil. Let me hear you counting. Let's start with 1. 1. 2, we got it. Okay. Great. And now the last wet ingredient that we need is an egg. Now, probably you do need the help of a mom or dad to help you crack eggs, okay? I'm gonna do it here so you can see it on the bowl. Here we go. Ready? Now we need to whisk together our ingredients. This is a special tool called a whisk, and it helps us to mix everything very well. So I'm gonna whisk it together.
So now that she's whisked all the wet ingredients, I'm going to add my dry ingredients into her bowl.
Okay. All right. So you can add that a little at a time and keep mixing until the wet ingredients combine with the dry ingredients. You'll have a nice batter formed, ready to make your pancakes. All right, we're ready to cook our pancakes. We have our frying pan ready to go. We have the burner that the frying pan is on medium heat. Remember, it's very important that mommy and daddy are helping you with this part. And we need to put first a little bit of oil into the pan to make sure that our pancakes do not stick. I'm going to spread that oil around and get my batter ready. I'm going to take 1 scoop of the pancake mix and I'm going to put it into the frying pan. 1, 2, 3, go! All right. I hear it sizzling, which means that it's getting nice and hot on the first side. We need to let it cook for a little bit of time. You'll know that it's almost ready to flip when there's a few bubbles that are starting to pop on the top of the pancake. I see that it's almost ready. Let's see what's happening on the first side of the pancake. 1, 2, 3. Wow! It looks great. I can't wait to eat this pancake. I hope your pancakes are turning out well too. All right, after you've used up all of your pancake batter and you have a stack of delicious pancakes ready to eat, it's time to enjoy them with your family. I'm sure they're gonna love to share what you've taken so long to make. I love to eat my pancakes with syrup, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that. And remember that it's always good to think about the food groups that you're eating. I love to eat pancakes also with fruit. So I have a strawberry that I'm going to eat with my pancakes today. Let's see how they are.
Can't wait to try these.
Delicious!
Delicious.
Great job! I hope you enjoy your pancakes, and I hope that you'll be joining us again for another cooking experience in the future. Have a great day!
Bye.